How to turn on developer mode on Android in just 30 seconds. So first of all, take your Android device and simply go to Settings. From Settings, scroll down below all the way till the bottom and you'll see About Phone. Tap on it. Now, once you come here, scroll down below and then you'll see Software Information. Tap on that option. Now from here, you'll see Build Number. All you would have to do is tap on it quickly 7 times. Now, enter the PIN of your mobile device. And on this pop-up, you can see that you would have to allow development settings. Make sure you go through this and then simply tap on OK. Now with that, you will successfully be able to turn on developer mode on your Android device easily. So that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.